back to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we're going to draw a red, white, and blue popsicle.
It's summertime, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's hot out there.
It is really hot.
What kind of popsicles do you like?
Just popsicles in
Just
general.
any popsicle? I like creamsicles and bomb pops. A bomb pop is like the red, white, and blue popsicle, huh?
Yeah.
And it's summertime.
Yeah.
Should we do that?
We should.
Let's do it. Thanks for drawing with us, and we're gonna do a red, white, and blue popsicle. All right, everybody, we're gonna start with a black marker. This is gonna be a fun, quick popsicle for summer. Okay, let's start. Should we do the eye first?
Yeah.
Or should we do the shape? Let's do the shape.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna start here. We're gonna do a big popsicle, and I'm gonna draw a bite out of the popsicle. So actually, first, let's start at the top. Bring it down. So it's almost like a big waterfall, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we'll go over.
Okay.
And then we're gonna come up a little bit and stop about right here.
Okay.
So go up and stop. Now to connect these, let's do should we do a big bite?
Yeah, let's do it.
If you want, you can do a little bite, but we're gonna do a big bite. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice, that looks great.
Thanks.
Okay, and we'll do a popsicle stick. So start in the middle and go down. Go down on the other side. And let's connect this with a, what do you think?
Smiley face.
Smiley face shape. That works. That was easy. We got the shape in. So right here, let's do a big, fun eye.
Okay.
Let's do a circle. We'll do a big circle. And in that circle, let's do another big circle. And in that circle, we'll do another circle.
Just keeps going and going.
So this circle we're going to color in black, but we're going to leave the highlight. So I'm going to do another circle and color around it black. And we'll do a color. Color in that. Good job. That looks great.
Thanks.
Let's do a couple of eyelashes. 1, 2. And this eye, what should we do?
It should be winking.
A winking. Okay. So let's not do another circle. Let's do a winky shape. And that kind of looks like
An upside down U.
an upside down U. Like a rainbow maybe.
Yeah.
And you can do another couple of eyelashes there. And let's do a fun mouth. Should we do, what kind of mouth do you want to do?
It should be sticking its tongue out.
Say that louder, I can't hear you.
It should be sticking its tongue out.
Okay, let's do that. Let's do a smiley face. Because it's summertime. We'll do some fun smiley marks. And let's do a fun tongue. Sticking its tongue out. Saying happy summer. Cool, what do you think? Anything else you want to add, Olivia?
I don't know. Maybe eyebrows?
Eyebrows, okay. So let's do some happy eyebrows. A little bit to the side and up. And now we can color maybe this bottom part. We'll do blue, white in the middle, and then red on top.
Yeah.
Okay. And if we want, I guess we could draw some melting.
Oh, that'd be cool.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Let's do a little melting part down here.
Okay.
Let's do, you can make like a squiggly puddle any way you want. There's a drop. Over here's a big drop. Down here's a medium drop. And if you want, you can draw some melting. Let's do a little melt. We'll see how that turns out. That looks good. Okay. So we've got our outline of our summer popsicle with a bite out, and now we're going to color it. So hit fast forward and
Let's go.
And let's go.